going to talk to you today about how to actually reduce what may be your largest expense. Okay, I'm all about helping you achieve financial freedom as fast as possible. So it would be negligent for me to actually not discuss what your largest expenditure is, which for most people is taxes, okay? Especially if you earn your income on the left side of the quadrant as an employee and or self-employed person. Now, as an example, I live in California. It is the highest state income taxes in the union, upwards of 13%, and that is not including Obamacare or Social Security. So, I know that there is a lot of discussions today around this $10,000 maximum SALT deduction. Fortunately, for those of you who have actually gone through my course, the Financial Freedom Formula, you are not impacted because you figured out, based on the training modules that are in the course, how to change the way you earn your income to that on the right-hand side of the quadrant, as I do as well. But if you are not in the course, then you need to actually change the way you earn your income as well. Here's what I recommend. On my website, go to GinaLofton.com, okay? The link is right below this video, and you can actually get the Financial Freedom Formula cheat sheet, which is basically an Excel spreadsheet. You could calculate your freedom number, but simultaneously to calculating your freedom number, for those of you who didn't see the prior video as to what your freedom number is, that basically is all of your expenses that is necessary for you to live every single month and being able to get that in passive income, okay? But go and take a look at that prior video. But here's what I suggest is, in addition to calculating your freedom number, calculate how much you're paying in taxes, okay? Or preferably talk to your CPA and ask he or she, what is your effective tax rate? Because many of us are paying, or many of those that have not gone through the course and have not changed the way that they earn their income, are paying upwards of 40 to 50% of their income goes to pay taxes, okay? It's impossible for you to achieve financial freedom if you're paying 50% of your money in taxes, okay? That's first and foremost. So reduce that largest expenditure. So if you don't know what your effective tax rate is, that's fine. Here's what I suggest that you do. Get the spreadsheet on GinaLofton.com. The link is right below this video. Okay, look at your paycheck stub. Look at your W-2. Okay, look at any of your tax documents and or the estimated tax payments that you have due to your state, local, and federal government, including Social Security, including federal income taxes, including Obamacare. Add all of those up, okay, together, and put that into the spreadsheet, and that is going to give you what you're paying in taxes overall, roughly, okay? So why don't you take that action item, and I would like for you to go to the spreadsheet. It's free. Get that spreadsheet on the website and calculate what it is that you're paying in taxes. Then and only then are you going to be able to reduce your taxes by identifying how much you're paying today. And if you're paying more than 20% of your income in taxes, then you're paying too much. You need to move to the right side of the quadrant like all of my other students do, like I have done. I live in the state of California. I spent over a decade moving myself from the left side of the quadrant to the right side of the quadrant. And until you do that, you will continually continue to have to pay very high taxes, okay? So you really have three choices with tax reform, and I'm going to be very, very black and white. I'm not going to sugarcoat this. So for those of you that are politically correct, I highly suggest that you press pause or step out of the room or do what you have to do, plug your ears up. But here's what I suggest that you do. If you are living in a high income tax state, you only have three choices. One is you'll need to move to a no tax state or a low tax state, or you're going to need to change the way that you actually earn your income to that on the right hand side of the quadrant, or you're going to have to bend over and take it without Vaseline, okay? So let's just recap your three choices. Number one, you need to move to a low tax state or a no tax state. Number two, you have to earn your income like I do and like my students in my course on the right hand side of the quadrant, or you're going to need to bend over and take it without Vaseline and write a bigger check to Uncle Sam. Get it? Those are your three choices. So it's really up to you to decide on which choice is best for you. All right? I am Gina Lofton. You're watching the Gina Lofton Show. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Share it with your friends. I'm all about helping you achieve financial freedom as fast as possible. And the first step of doing that is to reduce your largest expenditure, which are taxes. Okay? I'll see you next time.